Here, on this nature preserve, there's an abandoned motel and even an abandoned logging camp. History flows through these woods. And now we are here to tell you the story of the Lewis M. Groen Nature Preserve. The Louis M. Groen Nature Preserve would be named after the man that invented the fish fillet sandwich, and it would open in the year 2012. The town of Johannesburg, which sits right next to the nature preserve, would be founded in the year 1902. And an abandoned lumber camp still remains on the nature preserve. The Johannesburg Manufacturing Company also once called this area home. Also present is the infamous Echo Valley Resort. Gaylord and the surrounding area was once known as the ski capital of the Midwest, so resorts like this one were a common sight back in the day. We are beginning the hike. It is like a little over 4 miles all the way around. We're going to be going to the motel. I'm going to be seeing this whole nature preserve. It is really, really beautiful out here. Temperature is nice. It's like 70 degrees. Barely any humidity, so it's pretty good out. Look at this, these pine trees just kind of came out of nowhere. Absolutely incredible. Wow. Oh my gosh, wow. Now that's beautiful. We just reached the logging camp. As you can see, the ruins of it are right over there on the other side of that fence. It's really, really freaking cool. It's a little windmill right there. And then right here, you have this. A set of logging wheels known as big wheels. Really freaking cool. Continuing down the trail, we are now here at Antique Alley. Look at this. Isn't this just beautiful? This is just incredible. This is so freaking cool. This one has a label on it. So freaking cool. Well, we're gonna keep on hiking, keep moving down. That right there is the Johannesburg Lake peeking through the trees. It's really, really beautiful.
Good. So.
Look at how beautiful this lake is. Honestly. It's incredible. The lake's right there. And there's the Echo Lake Motel. The abandoned motel that's just chilling up here. Look at that. So freaking cool. This nature preserve is truly a beautiful place. It's incredibly peaceful and certainly worth the hike. And now, it will never be forgotten.
To be, and I've never felt so claustrophobic, but it feels like the walls I built to cave in. Yeah. I spent half my life burning the keys to a world where I thought that I'd be free, and yet every path I take is hopeless. Got my strings, but I'm not free.
Look at the guy standing over there. Such a weirdo. What is he doing?
What do you think he's doing?
I don't know.
I think he heard you.
Shh, don't say anything. He won't see you.
I think it's all cool just standing in the middle of the path.
Let's just quietly walk away. Step back.
How come you have super hearing only when we're talking about leaving?
Nick in normal conversations. Well, hold on. What did you just say? Nick when
talking shit. I heard that.
Oh, he's in his photographer pose.
Yeah, at least he doesn't do this, Caleb.
Hey, listen, all right. Anything for the shot.
Me and Nick trying to get pictures, Caleb.
Listen. Look, I'm behind the camera. Nobody knows how ridiculous I look getting the shots.